Everyone talks about working online like it's some dream come true, but there are some shocking truths they don't tell you about. And this is why so many people end up giving up on their online hustle. So today I'm going to share 5 hard truths about working online that might make you think twice before quitting your day job. Make sure you watch the entire video because I'll also be equipping you with the tips on how to overcome each and every of these hurdles and survive in the online space. So everybody talks about the good side of working online, and I feel like the obstacles you face while working online is not often talked about, and this is why I want to share that with you. So make sure you watch the entire video so you don't miss out on anything if at all you ever want to work online. So the first one is expectation versus reality. A lot of people think working online is just having a laptop, having internet, and then boom, you make it online. But it's not as easy as it seems. It sounds great, but there's more to it than that. So sure, you'll have some flexibility, but you'll also face some limitations. Now, for example, you require skills. You require skills that are relevant to online jobs or online hustles. So success online isn't just about having a service to offer. You need certain relevant skills like digital marketing, SEO, self-discipline is another skill, time management and the likes. And sometimes knowing how to even promote yourself online is even more valuable than the service you're actually providing. You need to acquire these skills to set you apart. And I'll be leaving where you can get the skills for free on the screen, or I'll leave them in the description so you know where to go and equip yourself before you start this journey. Another big challenge about working online is building trust. It is much harder in the online space. So, unlike the traditional job where you have that face to face interaction and then you build trust naturally, online work often lacks that instant credibility. People can't see you in person, so they always have that fear that you can up and leave at any time. So, you need to build trust, and that is the good news actually. Trust can be built. It takes consistency and providing real value over time. As you grow, people will see your dedication to your service or your work, and it will lead to trust. So don't give up, just keep doing what you're doing, and eventually your audience will grow, your clients will grow as well. But another thing is stability online isn't always guaranteed, and this is something that often catches people off guard. Stability is not guaranteed in the online world, like I said. So, for example, traditional jobs offer security, they offer steady paychecks, but online job is a bit of a roller coaster. One month you might be making good money, and then the following month you wouldn't make a penny at all, which is why I often recommend diversifying your income source or your income stream. For example, besides YouTube, I also teach online, and then I offer one-on-one consultations, to help people get jobs online, and a few other side hustles. Most importantly, I still have my salary job, so I have a reliable income that I can always fall back on when the online space becomes too tough for me. So I suggest that, especially when you're starting out, do not give up your salary job. At least test the waters before you fully resign. So another thing I would say is flexibility isn't always convenient. Yes, you can set your own hours, but it doesn't always translate to it being convenient. In fact, flexibility often means you work at odd hours. So, for example, most times I make my videos at 2 a.m., I teach at odd hours. So, although flexibility sounds nice, you often have to work at odd hours that aren't really convenient for you. So, just remember it takes a lot of discipline to make it work and a lot of time management skill. Before I continue, don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe so you can join our growing community. So the other thing I would like to talk about is something that isn't often talked about enough, which is the mental and physical strain working online brings. For the mental part, for example, it's easy to fall into imposter syndrome or, feel pressured by social media metrics. And honestly, staring at the screen all day leaves you with headaches, body aches, and so on. So, the solution I would recommend to this is to remember that your worth isn't tied to followers, views, or clients. It takes time to build these things. So do not let social media metrics validate how you feel about yourself, and for the physical part, I would say take breaks as often as you can. There are also screen shields. Is this screen shield or screen guard? I'm not sure what it's called, but a lot of people use this to limit the rays of the screen from penetrating their eyes, from getting into their eyes. Pardon me, this is not my field at all, but I'm sure you get the gist. So yeah, take breaks as often as you can, so you're not always on your screen. Another thing is setting boundaries. Setting boundaries is key. You need to separate your work from your personal life. You have to maintain that work-life balance, and to avoid burnout. So another thing is, don't forget to connect with like-minded people. You need that support system to keep you motivated, because it can be really demoralizing to put in so much work and nobody's looking at it, or keep looking for clients all day in, day out. So it's very important that you associate yourself with like-minded people so that you stay motivated. There you have it, the 5 truths about working online. Yes, they are challenging, but the thing is, if you're strategic, if you're passionate, and if you are prepared for these obstacles, the online world can be incredibly rewarding. So remember, I would always suggest that you start small while you're still doing your day job. See if the online hustle is for you. Test the waters before you quit your day job, and gradually build up from there. Don't just quit until you are fully ready. Just ensure that all the structure and everything you need is in place before you quit your day job. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please share this with anybody at all that you feel like would need this video. It could be your sister, a friend, a student, even your parents. Anybody at all that is considering working online should watch this video, so they are also informed about the challenging side of working online. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.